Hey everyone, welcome to Mojo Handicrafts, and today we are going to learn very quickly something totally different. So let's begin. Here we are going to use this tool for the project, and today we are going to learn engraving on glass base. This tool is easily available on Amazon, and it can be used on glass, on stone, on plastic, and even on wood. But I have used it on glass bottle. This is the bottle I've used for practicing my hand first, and you can see I have just made random designs. It is I've written "Have a great day." I've made some smileys, and I've made some flowers from some petals, and even I have made some stars and circles, and simply just scribbled down. So this is the base which we will be using today for learning. And on this I have already scribbled some words like cakes, chocolates, cookies, but I will be teaching you on a design which I've made it on it with a free hand painting. You can always make a design by keeping a paper inside the bottle, and then from top you can copy down the design like how we do it for glass painting. So now this is the tool, and the white is the button. It is all battery operated. Just simply press the button and go on with the design. So how you have to do it is, once it starts, it's on, and just go around the design, simply going like how you do it with your sketch pen or your pen. And please don't press it hard, because if you press hard the glass is going to break. So this is very easy to handle pen. Simply go around the design and keep going, keep making. If you want, you can fill up inside the petals. If you want, you just go around the border of your design. It is up to you how creative you are. So remember, before starting this, put on a mask and your eye covers, your glasses, so that the glass dust which is coming out of this won't go inside your eyes or nose. Keep it away from your kids. Children should not be around, even your pets should not be around, and go on. So let me finish this and come back to you. So this is how it looks after completing my project. I have washed it with mild soap, and it looks very beautiful. I'm so happy with it. The pleasure of doing this was uncontrollable, so I just thought of making a video of it, and it's a very small project. Please do try it and let me know your experiences. The pen is available on Amazon, so do give it a try and enjoy yourself. I hope you like my short video. Do stay at home and stay safe. Keep washing your hands and always put on a mask. Bye bye. Take care.